Hi, this is Anu and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you joined me today for a super cute tutorial. Summer is around the corner and with summer comes the beach. I hope you will find yourself being able to go and put your little toesy in the water. I am definitely planning to go to the beach. And when you say beach, you say beach bag. So today I decided to create this beautiful beach bag for you. It is so easy to make. It is going to be the easiest beach bag you will ever create. Of course, I will take you through it slowly but surely, but it's basically chain and half double crochet. That's it. I chose beautiful bamboo handle. You can choose any kind of handle you want. I will show you how to incorporate them in your bag to make it really sturdy. I used t-shirt yarn again. I found this amazing t-shirt yarn that is soft to the touch and easy to crochet. I will put all the information about it in the info box down below, and I will try to give you substitution yarn too in case you cannot find this specific yarn where you are. That being said, you could make this bag with anything you want as long as it's not wool, because that would felt unless this is something that you want. So I of course needed to add some special little cutesy pom-poms on the side. I think it's really cool and give it that super modern and fashionable touch, but you could leave it without the pom-pom and it's beautiful, minimalist, simple, and the yarn is amazing because it looks tie-dye, and when you crochet it gives that camo effect that I love so much. I think it's really cool. Today one of you will be able to win some t-shirt yarn, enough to create of course this bag. To participate, you just need to comment in the comment box down below. That is it, and I will personally contact you to let you know that you have won. Okay, deal? Deal. As usual, the written pattern will be on my blog. Here is the address to my blog. If you are not subscribed to my channel, come and join the crochet family. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button right there and click on the little bell to be notified every time I post something new. Come and check me out on my social media if you would like to. And that is it. So without further ado, if you are interested in creating this beautiful beach bag with pom-poms, then keep on watching. And in the meantime, happy crochet and see you soon. Bye. All right, grab your 6mm crochet hook and your t-shirt yarn and make a slip knot. We are going to begin to crochet this bag from the bottom. And then you're going to proceed by making 30 chains. Once you have 30 chains, add one extra, and in the second chain from your hook, you're going to make a half double crochet. And then you're going to make a half double crochet in each and every one of the stitch until you reach the last stitch, and I'll show you what to do in the last stitch. So you have 29 half double crochets in total. Here I'm going to make my 29th one right there. And then in the last stitch, make your last 30th half double crochet, chain one and turn. And you are going to make a half double crochet again in each and every one of the stitches. In total for this second row, you will have 30 half double crochets again. Alright, so from rows 3 to 4, you are going to just repeat row 2. So you're going to have 30 half double crochets on row 3, on row 4, and I will meet you at the end of row 4. We are creating the bottom of your bag. Alright, now we will be crocheting in the round from now on. So we are at round 5. You're not going to turn, you're going to chain one. You are going to make a half double crochet in the last stitch you had made from row 4. The first one here will be the first half double crochet from your 5th round. Now you're going to pick up a half double crochet in each of the row you had made from the side. So that's 4 half double crochet. Remember, we had 4 rows. So right now you have the first half double crochet in the corner right there, plus 4 half double crochet from the side of your bag. That's 5. And then you're going to make one last one in the corner. That is 6 half double crochets. So you have 6 half double crochets, including the first one you had made at the beginning of your 5th round, because we are crocheting in the round right now. Place a stitch marker in the first half double crochet. And now we're going to pick up stitches at the bottom of your work, so along the side of the rectangle. That is actually the chain that you had made at the beginning, and it's really easy to see the stitches. They're really clear, and you're going to make 1 half double crochet per stitch. So you will make 30 half double crochets along the long side of your rectangle. So you had 6 double crochets from the beginning of your round, and now you're going to make 30. When you reach the other side, you will have 36 half double crochets. All right, so you are at the other side, and you're going to pick up 1 single crochet in the corner. That's 30, and then you're going to pick up your 4 half double crochets on the side, and then make a half double crochet in the corner, and then you're going to proceed by making 30 half double crochet until you reach your stitch marker in the beginning of your 5th round. At the end of your 5th round, you will have 71 half double crochet. If you have one less, one more, it's okay, don't sweat it, it doesn't have to be perfect. But this is the shape you want to have, and this will be the bottom of your bag. At the end of this 5th round, you're going to slip stitch with the first half double crochet you had made, and we are going to tackle the 6th round now. You are going to chain 1, and for your 6th round, you are going to make half double crochets all around, but only taking the back loop of your work. So you see how the V stitch has 2 loops. You're going to make your half double crochet in the back loop only. And you're going to go all around that 6th round. At the end of your 6th round, you will still have 71 half double crochet. We're creating that 90-degree angle that will be differentiating between the bottom of your bag and the sides. Alright, so finish your 6th round, making half double crochet only in the back loop, and we're going to tackle the 7th round. But first, at the end of your 6th round, you're going to slip stitch in the first half double crochet you had made in the back loop, still slip stitch in the back loop of that first half double crochet you had made. And for the 7th round, you're going to this time take the whole stitch and make half double crochet all around your 7th round. At the end of that 7th round, you still have 71 half double crochets in total, and I will meet you at the end of your 7th round. So you can see the difference between the bottom of your bag and the sides. You can see that little 90-degree angle, and that is exactly what you want. Alright, so continue half double crocheting all around your 7th round. And you're going to make rounds and rounds and rounds of half double crochet, placing your stitch marker at the beginning and at the end of each round, but not slip stitching anymore at the end of your round. Just crocheting around and around, half double crochets. I really like this t-shirt yarn. It is soft, it doesn't hurt to crochet, because some crochet yarn can be so tough to crochet with. This is just a pleasure. Alright, so you see it's like a little boat shape. That's what you want. The bottom of your bag and the sides are taking shape. and you're going to continue rounds and rounds and rounds until you get the desired height of your bag. For my bag, I had 19 rounds of half double crochet until I decided to place my handles. I chose those beautiful round bamboo handles for my bag. You can choose anything you want, and I will show you how to place them so they are visible because they're so beautiful, and at the same time sturdy so you can carry heavy things in your bag. So your 20th round doesn't begin exactly at the edge of your bag. So you're going to take your crochet hook, you're going to make half double crochets until you reach really the side of your bag. So I made the first 3 half double crochets of my 20th round, and then I placed my bag in front of me. So we are at the 20th round, and the 20th round will be the one where we incorporate our handle. Incorporating the handle is super easy. The only thing you have to do is make sure that your bag is folded in half, and again count the same amount of stitches from one side of your bag than the other from the side. In my case it was 10 stitches from each side, and then I placed a stitch marker into the 11th stitch, so counting 10 stitches from the right side and then 10 stitches from the left side and putting a stitch marker in the 11th. So count 10 stitches from the right side, place a stitch marker in the 11th stitch, and then count 10 stitches from the left side and put the second stitch marker in the 11th stitch again. And then make your 10 half double crochets from the right side, from the edge of the right side, until you reach the stitch marker. Alright, you have reached your stitch marker. You can take it out. You know that is the stitch where you're going to incorporate your handle. Take your handle and place it down like so. Yarn over, through the handle and through the next stitch. Yarn over and back through the stitch and through the handle. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over through all the loops on your hook. And just like that, you attach your handle. And you're going to yarn over and make half double crochets now, regularly, continuing your round until you meet the next stitch marker. Okay, you are at the next stitch marker, right there. Still with your handle hanging down, you're going to grab it and you're going to repeat. So yarn over, and here, let's take the stitch marker first off so it doesn't bother us. You're going to, while holding your handle down, yarn over, come back through the handle and through the next stitch. Yarn over and back through the handle and through the stitch. You have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over through all the loops. There you go, and just like that you have attached your handle, and we're going to continue to do that to the other side as well, repeating exactly the same thing. So you're going to crochet a few more stitches until you reach the seam, the side seam of your bag. And then you're going to count 10 stitches from one side and 10 stitches from the other, put your stitch markers and repeat this process to the other side. Once you are done attaching the second handle, you're just going to have double crochet until you reach the end of your round. You're going to move your stitch marker and you're going to make another extra round or two to your liking. When you reach the stitch where you had joined, super easy, you just have to double crochet inside that stitch, incorporating it into your round. There you go, right there. And just like that, you attached your handle super easily and it will be super sturdy, I promise you. Here we go. And continue making rounds until you like the look of your bag. I made 2 rounds and I was very pleased with the result. I took my stitch marker out and to finish I did 1 single crochet and then I did a slip stitch to end my round seamlessly. And then I took my scissors and I fastened off. And just like that, you created a beautiful, gorgeous, sturdy beach bag that I hope you will be able to take to the beach this summer. What is left now to do is just sew in the loose tail to the back of your work. But of course, you know me, I need the extra little touches, and I thought that a bunch of pom-poms would be really cool on the side of my bag. Of course, you can just leave it like that if you like it. I took my favorite pom-pom maker from the brand Clover. I will link the link down below. The yarn I use to make the pom-poms is the Comfort DK yarn from Barocco. I will put all the colors and the information about all the material in the information down below as usual. And yes, and then I took my tapestry needle, I sewed in all the pom-poms at the side of my bag, and ta-da! Here you go, you have this beautiful, adorable, ready for the beach t-shirt yarn beach bag that was super easy to make. The only thing you need is the bamboo handle and the pom-pom maker if you want to make the pom-poms, and your favorite t-shirt yarn. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you. I'm looking forward to many more, and in the meantime, happy crochet, stay well, stay healthy, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I will see you next time. Bye! Bon, it will have to do. Let's try this again. Pop, 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 pop. And oh my gosh, ça va pas. I am coming to you with an itchy nose. Let's try again for the 10th time. Put all the information about it in the info bag, the tutorial, and candelabrum. My God! You could very much make this bag, make this bag. You just need to come, and I will and we will, I want to say something else and now I forgot again. Oh yeah, I think that's it, right? Okay, ta-ta for now.